opinion and how to interpret the results. So let's have a look.
Hi everyone! During our last video we talked about our main problems. So we targeted international students. Why? Because we are international students and we got several problems like when we went to different countries. So like for example sports, where to find the best gym, or how to find the best flight with the best roommate. So how do we do it? And so we decided to, for the main strategy to begin our project, to target like international students through surveys. So we did like kind of a big survey that like international students can answer and target like their main problems during their exchange. Plus, we did some interviews to get like deep opinions. So let's.
For focus group, we took 3 people with different backgrounds and they have diverse nationalities. And let's see the results.
Hi, I'm Karina. I'm a student from the University in Austria in Vienna. And my main problem here is that I'm not really satisfied with the registration process. I don't like that you cannot really plan ahead, and there's a lot of uncertainty involved in.
Hi, I'm Yana and I'm from China, and I'm exchange student here in Auto, and I think the most important problem for me is that I cannot understand the menu, which is almost in Finnish or Swedish.
Hello, my name is Tamara. I'm from Moscow, Russia, and currently I'm here in exchange. And I have a problem with my grocery shopping in Helsinki, because especially new products, it's different to understand whether it's which type of milk product it is, since everything is written in Finnish.
For the survey, we asked more than 40 people and it's enough to get valuable results. So we asked them about housing, food, entertainment, sports and orientation in the city. And overall, every person answered more than 15 questions. So let's go to the results.
The most important problem of our students was housing. But let me go into the detail. Our survey estimated the grades from 1 being the easiest, 5 being the most difficult, for following areas: housing, food, orientation, entertainment, and sport activities. The grade for housing was 3.3 out of 5, which was much higher than, for example, food, 2.3, orientation, 2.3 out of 5, entertainment was 2, being the easiest, and sport activities, 2.4. Since the housing was the critical problem for all of us students, I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. In this issue, we focus on the main drivers of the problem. Our respondents showed us that the key issue was price, being the most difficult, and among the location. Also, the furniture problems were one of the most difficult challenges that our international students were facing. Easy parts were, for example, roommates or dealing with the landlords.
Following on from what we've heard from Milan, we've done hours of first-hand research into the problems of our target group using interviews and surveys. And international exchange students have problems with housing in 3 main areas: pricing, locations, and furniture and furnishing. Cindy told us who the people are that we need to help. And Olga and Vika told us how we analysed the problem and what we started to see happening. Now it's time to understand how we can innovate and solve these problems through innovative solutions. This week is when we come up with the innovations. By using Osterwalder's business model canvas, Blue Ocean strategy, and McKinsey's strategy matrix, we're going to come up with a solution which is different to anything seen in the market so far, and which is really going to change the life of international students here in Helsinki. We're going to use all of the resources that are available to us to make exchange students have a better experience overseas. From our team to Helsinki, we're looking global to make lives better local.